What are we going to be doing today? Today, I'm going to be showing you guys with an Onshape tutorial how to make a really cool phone stand, just like this one, that works really well. Alright everybody, so here we are in Onshape, as you can see, and this is the final design, but I'm going to show you guys the steps it took to get to this final design. So as you can see, this view right here, you can see the simple like sort of spline and the angle here. So this is a 50-degree angle, but we'll go more into that in a second. So here's the shape, and again, like I've been saying in all the other Onshape tutorials, is that Onshape is a sketch-based CAD. So what that means is that you can draw something and then extrude it to make that. And so first off, let's head over to sketch number 1. Here it is. So don't get overwhelmed automatically. I know there are a lot of measurements going on here, but it's really not that much. Here's the 50-degree angle, and then here all we did was we took the line tool and then just drew lines. See how simple that is? And that's how you can draw a shape. And there you go. And then you can just extrude that with that. But we're not going to do that because we don't really want that. So we're going to delete that. But, yeah, let me just delete this. So basically, that's all you have to do is you make lines and you just measure them for the dimensions that you want. And then there you have it. So you choose like the angle you want here, the 110 and the 50 you choose, and then you choose sort of the design you want. If you want more of a triangle type thing, or if you want like a square, whatever you want. But this is how we did ours. Then we'll move on to the extrude number 1. So what that extrude is going to do, as you can see, is how long it's going to be. So you can make it for an iPad or whatever you have, tablet, as you can see there, or you can make it for your phone. So just use a caliper, measure your phone, whatever, and that's the measurement number 1. Come back in here. There we go. And then we'll go to extrude number 2. So what this is here, I know that this is in a sketch. I think it's sketch 4. No, sketch 3. No. Here's, yes. So sketch 2 is this. So this is the hole that the cord goes through. As you saw before, and as you see, I have this video playing of the phone stand. As you see, there's a hole in the back. And that is for the cord, for charging, and so you can measure this however you'd like. If you want it to fit perfectly the cord, you can do that, but we wanted a sleek design with 2 little teeth here just to hold the phone. So that's that, and then we just extruded that to make a hole, and I'll go into that extrusion here. So yeah, then what we did was moving into, here's sketch 3 and extrude 3. So we just went to the back and made a circle on the face of the back here, and that's again for the cord. Another design, part of the design, and it also saves you some filament. So yeah, we were thinking about doing another circle on the bottom here, but we thought that one was enough. So yeah, you can always even add text on the face of this, on the face of it, whatever you want. Then moving on to the last part, and what this is a little lip here. So this is if your phone is hanging off of a table or anything like that. This is a little bit, this is our newest design, so not all of our phone stands had it, but it has a little hole, as you can see here, and that's for the cord to just attach there. And then again, to make everything sleeker, we have fillets or fillets, whatever you call it, on the outside edges. So all in all, it's not too complicated of a design, but you know, once you get good at Onshape, you can make really cool stuff. So that's the overview. So again, you know, you could add chamfers, fillets, whatever you want. You could add text on the face here, or whatever you want. So yeah, that is the phone stand.
Alright everybody, so I really do hope that you enjoyed this quick video. I know I do hope that you guys enjoyed seeing how to make this phone stand with that tutorial. It's a really cool design, and of course you can change it up to your needs and however you'd like it. But all in all, great project, highly recommended. Go out, try to make your own phone stand. Super useful, and this one's really sleek too, so again, really recommended. And just all in all, an amazing print to learn how to do, and just to have. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one, and you can watch the video here on the top right to see another video just like this one. And make sure to smash that like button. Let's try to get 15 likes on this video. You know, everyone like it up. All these viewers, come on, you gotta like that video. And comment down below if you've done a design like this one. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.